Hey, hi, welcome to Kids Lab. Hope you all are going well and hope your practice is also going well for the Olympiad. Very soon that mathematics Olympiad is going to be held. So in today's video, after so many days, here I come with the tricks of mathematical questions. Don't get frightened with the big and lengthy questions. So if you are preparing for IMO or for the banking, railway, SSC, CTET, OTET, any type of competitive exam, then follow these tricks and do all sorts of lengthy questions within a fraction of a second. Yes, trust me, you can do this. Set your target, grab the tricks, do practice, definitely you will achieve your success. Watch this video till the end because each and every problem and every tricks is very important for you. Do not skip the video. Now go with the and click the hat tricks. So let's start the video. So in today's video we are going to learn about the percentage. Basically this one is very familiar topic for standard 5, 6, 7 and 8. And this topic is also included in all of these classes Olympiad syllabus. So as you know that a percentage means a by 100. Yes, percentage. This term means where per means for every and cent means 100. So for every 100 we said it as percentage. So this sign percentage means divided by 100. Any number with percentage sign means divided by 100. Like 5% is equal to 5 by 100. 17% is equal to 17 by 100. It's very simple to write any of the percentage into the fraction or decimal form. Similarly, 1 by 4% is here. Here we are discussing about the fraction. So first of all 1 by 4 and you know that percentage means divided by 100. So the answer is 1 by 400. Then the next part is a mixed fraction 2 whole 1 by 2%. So first of all convert this mixed number to the improper fraction which is 5 by 2%. So first of all 5 by 2 into 100 which means 5 by 200 and if you will cancel out you will get it as 1 by 40. This 5 by 2 is divided by 100, so into 1 by 100. So directly we will write 5 by 2 into 100. Similarly, 2.5%. This is the decimal percentage. So first of all we will write 2.5 by 100 because something percentage is equal to something by 100. Now we will write 2.5 as the fraction, that is 25 by 10. We know that, and then we will write into 100. Now if you will cancel out you will get it as 1 by 40. So here you can see that how from percentage to fraction and decimal is very easy to convert them. Similarly 12.5%, that is 12.5 divided by 100. Yes, because percentage means divided by 100 and then 12.5 means what? 125 by 10. So 125 by 10 into 100 which means 125 by 1000. So if you will cancel out you will get 125 eights. Yes. So it is 1 by 8. Even if you can write it into the decimal directly, that is 125 by 1000 is equal to 0.125. So from this above things, what we have concluded, any number percentage, either it is a fractional number, it's a decimal number, it's a whole number, it means any number by 100 and easily we can convert them. Now next come to the next session, that conversion of any number to percentage. It is also that much of easy. But first of all I will tell you its fundamental and then after the tricks. So in the first case we are going to convert fraction to percentage. So let's take some examples. 2 by 5. For this we have to multiply 100 in the numerator and 100 in the denominator. It means also we can write it as 2 by 5 into 100, and this divided by 100, which means percentage, we will write it outside of the bracket, so that there will be no change in the fraction. The fraction will remain same. Okay, because we know that percentage means divided by 100. Now we will cancel it out, that 5 20s are, and 2 into 20 is equal to 40%. Okay, so all the time it is not required to multiply 100 in the numerator and denominator. So the trick is here, fraction into 100, any fraction into 100 and outside percentage sign, and then cancel it out and you will get the answer. So see here, the next example I have taken as 1 by 10. So simply 1 by 10 into 100 and keep it inside the bracket, outside percentage sign, and this is 10. So here the answer is 10%. Do not forget to give the percentage sign outside, because that is important. Next, convert decimal to percentage. Now let's take an example. 0.5. So basically, what do you know about 0.5? It is 5 by 10. So to make it or to convert it to the percentage means we need the 100 in the denominator. So we can multiply here 10 in the denominator, and whatever you will multiply in the denominator, we have to multiply in the numerator. So the fraction value will remain same. So now we got 50 by 100, which means 50 percentage. Any number by 100 is equal to that percentage. So also in other formula is that 5 by 10 into 100 divided by 100, the same formula that we have applied for the fraction, and then 5 by 10 into 100 outside. For this division of 100 or the denominator 100, we will write percentage sign, and then we will cancel out and we got 50%. It means here the formula is any decimal number into 100 inside the bracket, and outside the bracket give the percentage sign. As simple as that. Next, take some more examples with this, like 2.5. So simply 2.5 into 100 inside the bracket, outside percentage sign. And we know that when we are multiplying with the 10, 100,000 with a decimal number, how they are moving. That is here it is 250%. 2 places to the right. Next, 0.125. So simply 0.125 into 100, give the bracket, outside percentage sign. Now with the 2 zeros, 2 places will move to the right hand side, and the answer will be 12.5%. It's very easy. Next, any whole number to the percentage. Let's take an example. So to convert any whole number to the percentage, let's apply the same formula, that multiply 100 in the numerator and 100 in the denominator, because 100 by 100 is equal to 1. Now we can write 5 into 100 and divided by 100 as percentage sign. So what we will get? We will get 500%. It means the tricks is here, whole number into 100 inside the bracket and outside percentage sign. So easily we can convert any of the number, fraction, decimal, whole number, natural number, any number, just by multiplying 100 and put the percentage sign outside. Like 17 into 100 with the percentage sign, it is 1700%. Now let's do a quick recap. Conversion of any number to the percentage. So fraction, if it is given, then fraction into 100 inside the bracket and outside percentage sign. Decimal into 100 inside the bracket, outside percentage sign. Do not forget to give the percentage sign, or else it will be totally wrong. Whole number into 100 inside the bracket, outside percentage sign. It means any number, if you want to convert it to the percentage, just multiply with the 100 and outside the bracket keep the percentage sign. Now let's learn now the application of percentage. So let's take some example. 25% of 16. So what do you mean by 25%? 25 by 100? What do you mean by of? Here off means multiplication and 16. So now we can cancel out easily. 25 fours are and 4 fours are 16 and the answer we got 4. So this is the application of percentage where we are going to use in day-to-day life, and what problems are mostly come from this section. Similarly 16% of 25, where we know that 16% means 16 by 100, off means multiplication into 25. 25 fours are 4 fours are. So here what we come to know that 25% of 16 and 16% of 25 both are same. Am I right? So here when you will get this type of things, easily you can do this. Whether it is 25% of 16 or 16% of 25, only the numbers are exchanged their places. Okay, so simply here it is what? Now you will get the same answer. So it means A percentage of B is equal to B percentage of A. So let's do some quick mathematics. If it is given 28% of 50, don't get panic. 28 by 100 into 50, 52s are 2 14s are is equal to 20. So the alternative method is what? If it is given that 28% 50, which means 50% of 28, and 50% means half. So what is the half of 28? That is 14. So easily you can do this. Don't get confused that 28% of 50 will be difficult for you. Next, and quickly learn some percentage tricks. Most of the in what problems we are facing this percentage tricks, and these tricks are only to consume the time so that within very fraction of second you can finish the lengthy processed mathematics. Like 10%, we know that 10 by 100, which means 1 by 10. So if the question will come 10% of 17, then just close your eyes and give the answer. 17 by 10 is equal to 1.7. 10% of 23, it means 23 by 10 is equal to 2.3. 10% of 98, it means 98 by 10 is equal to 9.8. Similarly, 10% of 76 is 76 by 10 is equal to 7.6. So how easily we could calculate this, right? Within a fraction of time we could finish this, because we have to just remember that 10% is equal to 1 by 10. Similarly, let's learn some other tricks. What are these? Like 20%, it means 20 by 100, which means 1 by 5. Likewise, let's give some examples. 20% of 55, it means 55 by 5 is equal to 11. 20% of 30, it means 30 by 5 is equal to 6. 20% of 35, it means 35 by 5 is equal to 7. Right? So how easily we do this? Next, come to the 25%. So 25% is what? 25 by 100. So in short, it is 25 fours, so 1 by 4. It means here some examples are there how quickly we could do this. 25% of 400, it means 400 by 4 is equal to 100. Am I right? 25% of 36, it means 36 by 4 is equal to 9. See how easily and orally we could do this. Once we come to know that what is 20%, what is 25%, easily we can calculate them. Similarly, 50%, 50 by 100, sometimes we are saying that 50% of chances is there. It means half chances, 1 by 2. So 50% of 36, what is the half of 36? It's 18, yes. 50% of 90, what is the half of 90? 45. 50% of 35, what is the half of 35? Yes. 17.5. Yes, 35 by 2 is equal to 17.5. Let's learn some more tricks regarding this. Isn't it easy and isn't it so fast to calculate? Just think, maths is not that tricky. So 75% is equal to 75 by 100, which is equal to 3 by 4. So here, if I write 75% of 16, it means 3 by 4 of 16, that is 4 4s are 16, 4 3s are 12. How easily we are doing so, right? 75% of 8, it means 3 by 4 of 8, 4 2s are 8, 2 3s are 6. Orally also you can do this, in your mind also you can do this, that is called the mental mathematics. Next, similarly, 100%, this one is quite easy. 100% means 100 by 100, which means 1 or which means whole. So if the question is there 100% of 5, just close your eyes and just write it down, it's 5. 100% of 9 is equal to 9. 100% of 16 is equal to 60. Next. Hey, listen, if you like this video, then don't forget to turn white thumb blue. Let's learn some more. So what we come to know, 10% is equal to 1 by 10, 20% is equal to 1 by 5, 25% is equal to 1 by 4. It's a quick recap. 50% is equal to 1 by 2. Similarly, 75% is equal to 3 by 4. 100% is equal to 1. Similarly, we can write 120%, 115%, or 12.5%. We could find it out. 150% is equal to, it's 3 by 2 will come. 53s are, 52s are. So let's do the quick revision. The first question is 20% of 25. As you know that 20% is 1 by 5. So 25 divided by 5 is equal to 5. Next question. 20% of 85. 20% means 1 by 5. So 1 by 5 of 85 is equal to 70. Next. 25% of 32. So 25% we know that it is 1 by 4. 1 by 4 into 32 is equal to 4 8s. So answer is 8. 50% of 75. 50% means 1 by 2. So half of 75 we need to write here 37.5. Next, 75% of 28. We know that 75% is equal to 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 into 28, 4 7s are, 7 3s are 21. So see how easily we can do this. Orally also it is possible without using any pen and paper. So once you get the tricks, you can achieve. Now let's go for some more easiest trick of percentage. So the first question is 40% of 70. As we know that percentage means divided by 100 means with 1 there are 2 zeros. So just cancel out these 2 zeros of 40 and 70 and just multiply 4 into 7 is equal to 28. Similarly, 20% of 30. The same way, cancel out the 2 zeros and just multiply the number 2 3s are 6. 90% of 70. Cancel out the double zeros. 90 and 70 just multiply 9 7s are 63. See how easy it this. So let's see. As you can see, do this or not. 120% of 80. So just cancel out 0 0 from both. 12 8s are 96. Then next, 70% of 80. Cancel out 0 0. 7 8s are 56. Let's do more. 60% of 60. Cancel out 0 0. 6 6 are 36. This is the short tricks we can say that. So that in the Olympiad question, when there are a lot of questions and very few time is there, it is a time consuming method. Next, 150% of 30. Cancel out 0 0. You will get 15 3s are 45. So easily and very few period of time, in a fraction of second, we can solve it mentally. Now some questions. 20% of 35 plus 20% of 45. So here 20% of 35 means we know that 1/5 of 35 and 20% of 45 means 1/5 of 45. So 1/5 of 35 is equal to 7 and 1/5 of 45 is equal to 9. So 7 plus 9 is equal to 16. It's another alternative method is there. When the percentages are equal, at that time take the percentage common. That is 20% of one is 35 plus another one is 45. Add 35 and 45 and 20% we know that is 1 by 5. So 1/5 of this sum of 35 and 45 what is 80 and we got it is 60. The same number you got. The only thing is there here the percentage should be common. Similarly 150% of 30 plus 150% of 60. So here also we can apply the same easiest tricks. Just cancel out 0 0, you will get 15 3s are 45 plus cancel out 0 0, 15 6 are 90. So 45 plus 90, in this case also you can get 135 or else take the 150% as common and 30 plus 60 is equal to 90. So here you will get answer as 135. So any method you can apply. So many methods I have taught you, that in which method you can choose, that is up to you. But always remember that whatever the method you are going to opt, you have to do practice on that method. Immediately if you will see the method and apply on the exam hall, it won't be fruitful. Use any of this method and you can get the answer. In both of the cases we are getting the same results. So either you can use the taking common method or else you can go for the shortcut method too. Let's solve some more mathematics, but this time you will solve this. I will give you 15 to 16 seconds of time and let's see whether you can do this. Your time starts now. Okay, your time is over now, so let's solve this. 0 0 cancel out, 7 3s are 21, 0 0 cancel out, 8 9s are 72. If you'll add them, you are going to get 93. See how very less period of time we can solve this. Now the next question is also for you. Get ready with your pen and paper. 110% of 80 plus 130% of 50. Your time starts now. Okay, your time is over now. You can write down your answer in the comment section. So now let's start doing this. 110% of 80, so 0 0 cancel out, 11 8s are 88. 130% of 50, 0 0 cancel out, 13 5s are 65. Let's add them. 8 plus 5 13, 3 whole 1, 8 plus 6 14 plus 1 15. So it is answer is 153. So very less period of time we can do this. This is a time consuming method. Kindly do the practice for this, because without practice you can't do anything else. So how do you like this video? If you like this video, then don't forget to turn white thumb blue, share it with your nearer and dearer, and subscribe to my channel if you are new to my channel. And thank you so much for watching this video. Kindly do more and more practice with this, because mathematics without practice, it's not going to help you. And whatever the tricks you are learning here, kindly share with your friends, family, so that they can also learn. And all the best for your exam. And also stay tuned for the next video, because without stopping, now we are going to publish more and more tricks in each and every topics of mathematics. Just mathematics is so easy. Put the formula and get the answer. And the next video will be on profit and loss. And Till then, stay tuned.